I have spoken earlier about minimalism in homes, wardrobes, and even digital spaces, decluttering the excess to make room for what matters. But over time, I realized something. For many of us, the clutter is not only physical, it's mental as well. Unfinished thoughts, the never ending to do list, the feeling that everything is important and that work never really goes out of your head. It's still sitting there somewhere even after the workday ends. Minimalism became a mental survival skill for me, especially in my working life. So, this video is about how minimalism helps me work with clarity without changing my job or my circumstances. So, let's get started. My work days used to feel very haphazard. I would start the day by checking my emails and messages, and then I would start working on whatever I remembered from the previous day or whatever the messages reminded me to do. Slowly, I would remember more tasks. In between, the meetings would pop up and interrupt my flow. By evening, I would remember some things that I have committed to but have not even started yet. To complete those, my day would extend more than I would have wished to. At the end of the day, I would feel tired, yet incomplete and defeated. Minimalism did not make my day easy, but it helped me find the real problem. I was relying too much on my memory. I was saying yes to too many things and doing very little really well. So I changed one core thing. Instead of keeping everything in my head, I now started writing everything in my bullet journal. Events, notes, ideas, or even emotions. The moment it's written down, my brain relaxes. It knows that it doesn't have to hold everything anymore. I also follow a couple of simple rules. One is a 2-minute rule where if something takes less than 2 minutes to respond, I respond to that email or message immediately. But if I am in the deep work block and doing something with full focus, I don't look at the messages. And recurring responsibilities go into my calendar right away. Minimalism helped me reduce my mental load than reducing workload ever did. Work demands decisions all day. What to prioritize, how to respond, when to speak, when to remain silent. By evening, it was not just tiredness, it was also decision fatigue. Minimalism helped me ask one grounding question. Do I really need to? Do I need to attend this meeting? Do I need to respond to this? Does this deserve my attention today? If the answer is no, I let it go. I also limit my focus. Every morning, I choose one important task. Whatever else happens, that task gets done. If I complete that task, I allow myself to do 2 more tasks. And that's it. Some routines help too, like a clear morning routine to decide 1 to 3 tasks that I need to complete. A clear evening routine to close the day. Minimalism helped me prioritize focus over completion. When decisions reduce, the energy returns for your personal life as well. We don't just carry tasks from work, we carry emotions. Stress around deadlines, guilt over what couldn't be done, and sometimes self-doubt after a feedback. I used to punish myself a lot after a bad review or a bad feedback. Replay conversations, revisit old mistakes, and convince myself how I am not good enough. I have spent sleepless nights thinking about what I could have responded better or how I could have worked better. Writing helps me here. The moment emotion is on the paper, it becomes less intense. It's the time I have given myself to acknowledge the feeling and then gain space to respond instead of react. Minimalism helped me understand that not every emotion deserves my attention. Boundaries matter here too. I have blocked my calendar after 8 pm. I don't check any email or messages during my personal time. I have deep work blocks and my personal blocks like for yoga or for travel in which I don't look at anything else. I don't take any appointments. These boundaries just don't protect my time, they protect my emotional energy as well. Minimalism did not reduce my workload, but it reduced my mental weight. It helped me close loops, reduce unnecessary decisions, and protect my emotional energy. Minimalism in working life is not about doing less work. It's about wasting less time and energy. And when your mind feels lighter, your day feels lighter, and you can not only work better, but you will live better. With that, signing off. Till next time, bye bye.